Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all subscribers and viewers are fine. Today I am going to tell about the Quran. What is Quran? What did we learn from Quran? You know the information of Quran? What is Quran? Quran is the miracle. Quran is the miracle. Quran is the holy books of Islam. Quran is the words of Allah. Quran is the words of Allah. Has all the benefits for humanity. What is Quran? Quran is the miracle. Quran is the holy books of Islam. Quran is the words of Allah. Has all the benefits for humanity. Quran is revelated for whom? Quran is revelated for our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Well, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam is meditating in mountain of Hira. Well, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam is meditating in the mountain of Hira through to angel Hazrat Jibril alayhi salam from Allah. Allah sent Hazrat Jibril alayhi salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam to give the message, to give him the message. You know, where did the Quran launch it? Quran is revelated in the month of Ramzan. Quran is revelated in the month of Ramzan. In the year 610 AD, Quran is the Arabic language. Quran is revelated in the month of Ramzan. Quran is revelated in the month of Ramzan. In year 610 AD, it is the Arabic language. Quran have 114 surah. How many surah Quran have? Quran have a 114 surah and 6,236 ayat. 6,236 ayat and 30 para. The first surah in Quran is Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha is the first surah of Quran. It is very benefits surah for our Muslims. Quran, Surah Fatiha is the first surah of Quran, and Surah Baqarah is the largest surah of Quran. And Surah Kauthar, we call Inna Atayna Kal Kauthar, is the smallest surah in the Quran. Smallest surah in the Quran. If you want to be successful, you have to learn Quran. If you are a Muslim, you have to learn Quran. Who memorizes Quran? We told him or her Hafiz Quran. Who memorizes Quran? We told him or her Hafiz Quran. If you want to go in Jinnah, if you want to go in heaven, we have to learn Quran. If you want to grow in Islam, you have to learn the Quran. Because Quran is the holy books of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Allah tabarak wa ta'ala revealed four books. How much books? Allah tabarak wa ta'ala revealed 4 books. First book's name is Tawreed. Second book name is Zabur. And third book's name is Injil. And last book's name is the Quran Majid. First books Allah tabarak wa ta'ala revealed for whom? First books Allah tabarak wa ta'ala is revealed for whom? Tawreed is revealed for Hazrat ta'ala alaihi wasallam. That's why we have to learn Quran. La ilaha illallah. There is no God